Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that help you look and feel your absolute best. Today, we're checking out a grooming kit that's been turning heads in the barber world, the Andis 17 Usability Finishing Combo, which includes a T outliner trimmer and a Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver. This set promises professional level trimming and finishing for hair and beards, all from the comfort of home. Right off the bat, the design is striking. The trimmer has a textured full metal body with a non-slip handle, finished in a gorgeous etched gold vintage style. It feels sturdy in the hand and gives a sense of old-school barber charm, but with modern functionality. Both tools are built for precision, low noise, minimal heat, and a motor powerful enough to tackle even thick hair without dragging or stalling. The shaver runs on a lithium-ion battery, offering over 80 minutes of cordless use, which is more than enough for detailed grooming sessions. I put this kit to the test with my husband since it's designed for men's hair and beard care. Using the T outliner trimmer, shaping the edges around the beard and neckline was effortless. The cross-etch handle really does provide that extra grip, so there's no slipping even when you're working on tricky angles. The Pro Foil Shaver gave an impressively close finish, leaving the skin smooth without irritation, which is often a challenge with sensitive areas. Both devices stayed cool and quiet throughout the session, which makes grooming much more pleasant compared to some other high-speed tools we've tried. What I loved most is how professional it feels without needing a salon. The motor's high speed, over 7,200 SPM, ensures clean lines every time. And the battery life is excellent. We didn't have to recharge mid-session. On the flip side, it's a bit on the heavier side compared to lightweight trimmers, so extended solo use might cause some hand fatigue. Also, while the vintage design is beautiful, it does attract fingerprints, so a quick wipe after use is necessary to keep it looking pristine. Considering the price, this kit holds strong value. The combination of high-speed performance, precision design, and cordless convenience puts it in a premium category, but it's worth it for anyone serious about home grooming. For comparison, some budget trimmers lack the battery longevity or precision motor, which often leads to multiple passes and irritation. Andis clearly prioritizes quality here, which justifies the investment. Build quality feels robust, from the solid metal trimmer to the lithium-powered foil shaver. With proper care, this set should last years, maintaining performance without dulling the blades quickly. Andis also has a strong reputation for customer support, which adds reassurance if any issues arise. If you're looking for alternatives on a tighter budget, some mid-range trimmer kits work decently for basic trimming, but they rarely match the precision and smooth finish of this combo. So if ultimate grooming results matter, this Andis kit is tough to beat. In short, the Andis 727U Finishing Combo delivers a salon-level grooming experience at home. It's precise, powerful, and designed with both function and style in mind. I'd recommend it to anyone wanting clean edges, a polished beard, or a professional finish without leaving the house. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other grooming enthusiasts can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you've tried this set, drop a comment below to share your experience. The link to grab this kit is in the description box. And remember, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.